A house roof takes one of three routes: a targeted repair, a full replacement, or a new covering. The roof's actual condition points at one of the three, and we name the route we are proposing before we quote it. 4 things set the scope on home roof work: the covering, the flashing, the sheathing, and the marks inside the house. A stain that dried and stopped growing reads differently from one that darkens after every rain. Older Pasadena houses carry older decks. Board sheathing with gaps holds a fastener differently from modern plywood. Dormers, additions, and framing that was never square break a roof into many small planes. One house can carry 2 roof systems at once. A pitched main roof covers the living space, and a low-slope surface covers a porch or a rear addition. They age on separate schedules, and rain finds the transitions first. Pitch, roof area, height, and access change a home roofing job more than the material does. A narrow side yard or a steep driveway changes how material reaches the roof, so tell us about a shared driveway early. Call Pasadena Roofing Contractors with the address and the roof material at 626-240-1360